Well, earlier today, the Supreme Court heard two cases challenging the outrageous Health and Human Services rule on how to implement the president's health care plan at the workplace. Outrageous for a number of reasons. One is they specify exactly what you have to do, being challenged under the Religious Freedom Act. I believe that challenge will be successful under both the Religious Freedom Act and the First Amendment, where the first freedom is freedom of religion. But even beyond that, the outrageousness of this rule is the penalty in the rule. You know, under the law, if you don't offer insurance at all, your penalty is $2,000 per employee per year. Under Secretary Sebelius's rule, if you don't offer exactly the insurance that meets the definition that HHS thinks, your penalty is $36,500 per employee per year. $2,000 if you don't do anything, $36,500 if you don't do exactly what HHS thinks you need to do, no matter what your reason might be. It's an outrageous position for the government to take for all the reasons that have been mentioned, workplace reasons, loss of insurance reasons, for the government to come in and think they can tell people that they have to violate their faith in these closely held companies, both of these companies today, Hobby Lobby and Conestoga Cabinets, closely held, not publicly traded, clearly companies that in all of their other efforts show that they are companies that are based on faith, and to tell them what they have to do. In the case of those two companies, there are only four things of all of the procedures that would have to be allowed that those companies don't want to do. And if you don't do those four things, you have to pay $36,500 per employee. In the case of Hobby Lobby, that's about $475 million a year. The choice of whether you give up your faith to support so you can keep your business, or you give up your business so you can keep your faith, is not a choice that the American government should be forcing people who run businesses and family-owned businesses to make.